What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to quickly change your Discord username. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Open up the Discord application on your PC or mobile device. From here, click on the gear icon at the bottom of your window to access your user settings. In the My Account section, select Edit next to your username in order to change it. In this dialog box, make sure to enter your new username. In case you wish to change your name tag, then you will need to subscribe to a Discord Nitro subscription. Below, enter your current account password to apply your changes. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.